I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. 12 years ago, I turned my passion for art and fashion into a handmade business. I've learned a lot over the years, and now I want to share it with you. From DIY tutorials on screen printing, t-shirt redesign, and costuming, to how you can make your craft projects into an online business. I'm here to show you all of it. I built my business selling shirts like this one with my art on it. I had a store and gallery called Monster Art and Clothing, which is where my nickname, Tara Monster, came from. I sold my store to refocus on my art, and I've been wholesaling and vending at festivals. Now, I'm learning to adapt by focusing on e-commerce. I will be posting a video every day for the next 365 days, so you can see how I am still able to make a living full-time as an artist. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a cute boho bag out of an old t-shirt. Let's get crafting! And then cut those sleeves right off, following the seam. You want to always cut the seam off. Make sure they're nice and lined up. And there you go. Sleeves are off. Now unfold the shirt. And this is when I like to turn it inside out if you do not want the design on your shirt on the outside of your bag. I'm gonna go for just a nice plain black fringe boho bag. And then now we're going to cut a scoop or a half circle down. And if you want your bag to have really long handles, you'll cut down further. If you want your bag to be more of like a higher purse, you just won't cut down as far. And if you care a lot about your scoop being perfect, you could use a plate or something round and trace around it with a piece of chalk and cut it that way. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. I'm not too worried about it being perfect. So, just a nice scoop shape. And there we go. Scoop is out. And it's starting to look a little bit more like a bag. These are going to be your handles. And now we're going to cut off the bottom. And measure about how long I want the fringe on the bottom of the bag to be. And this is another thing that's totally up to you. You know, you can have long fringe or short fringe and a longer bag. I'm gonna go for kind of halfway in between and make my fringe about 5 inches long. Let's go 5.5. So then what I do is I just put the ruler right where I want my cuts to stop. Do a little bit more. And then I cut in about an inch. So they're going to be, let's see, actually that's about 1/2 inch. So it's going to be a 1/2 inch wide strips all the way across at 5.5 inches tall for this particular one. And again, we are cutting through both layers at the same time. Okay, And now that we've got them all cut, we're just going to pull each one so that the cotton starts to curl along the ends. And that's going to make your strips into strong ropes, which is always a good thing. And now all we do is tie them together in double square knots. And you just want to do this all along the bag, along the whole bottom. Double knots. And the great thing about cotton is that it will just stretch and pull those knots even tighter. These knots will definitely not come undone with you when you have stuff in your bag, so don't worry about that. Okay, and now I'm just finishing up tying the last couple knots. And look at that. We have a really cute bag. It will look really nice once they throw some stuff in there. See, we've got a water bottle, always important to have with you. Oh, you can throw some books in there. It really is a lot stronger than you'd think. And look at how cute your new bag is. Perfect for a trip to the farmer's market or your favorite festival. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get a new DIY tutorial every day. If you want a copy of my free DIY t-shirt hacks ebook, go to revivalinkgifts.com. I'll put the link below in the description. Thanks!